This video will demonstrate how you can use the Audio Maker tool within Read&Write for Windows and Mac to create an audio study guide to self-quiz content when studying. To start, create a study guide or file containing the content you want to learn or quiz yourself on. When the text of your audio file is ready, click the Audio Maker button on the toolbar to begin. Copy and paste the content from your study guide into the Audio Maker text box. Once the content is copied in, hit the return key to create space between each question. Add in an ellipse or 3 periods within a set of parentheses on each line. Each time you add in an ellipse within a parenthesis on a blank line, a 3-second pause is added to your audio file. Depending on the content being asked for each question and the length of response you need to provide, you might need to adjust the amount of pause between each question. Make sure to complete this step within the Audio Maker text box. Doing this step within your master study guide ahead of time will not always carry over and create the audio pauses correctly. Continue this for the remainder of your content. Once ready, press the Preview Audio button to hear what your file will sound like.
Define the term anatomy.
When the file sounds as you would like it to, choose where you want the file saved and give the file a name. When ready, click Create MP3. To listen, click the Show button and then click on the file. As the file plays aloud, quiz yourself on the content by answering aloud.
Define the term anatomy.
The branch of science that studies structures of humans, animals, and living organisms. It includes dissections and studying parts of the being.
Define the term physiology.
The branch of biology that studies living functions of living organisms and their parts. You can also add in the answers to the quiz questions to see if you've answered correctly. To do so, add the answers to your study guide, then use the same process as before to create your Audio Maker file.
Define the term anatomy.
The branch of science that studies structures of humans, animals, and living organisms. It usually includes dissections and studying parts of the being.
Anatomy. The branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, especially as revealed by dissection and the separation of parts. Define the term physiology.